Hello everyone, welcome to ZIAS. I'm here to tell you how you're going to use the ZIAS website or application for your complete IAS preparation. I hope you might have gone through our YouTube channel and you might have seen the videos, and that's the reason why you are looking for these classes, right? So here I am telling you how you can subscribe the course and how can you use the course. All the courses will have a validity of 2 years, right? You can see the course, you can either download the application from Android. It's not available in iOS as of now. Or you can use the website also. If it is in case of your laptop, you can use it. So these are the courses which are available to you. All courses are available in module form. Like you can find Indian polity and governance, which is taken by me completely. And then world history, ecology, environment. These are sociology notes. And then this is for like aptitude for all exams, guys, whether it is CSAT or any aptitude exam, whether you are taking even CAT also. So based on the demand of the question, you can find the course which is designed. All quant topics are covered. Modern India, again, completely taken by me. These CSAT as well as Modern India, completely taken by me. And then Indian economy. For example, if you need to see the curriculum, you can open all the course. You can watch, you can see the preview here, right? So if in case if you need to see the demo sessions, either you can see enough in the YouTube channel or you can see it here as well. And then you can see the detailed syllabus as well here. These are the modules, right? So we have around 20 modules, and in each module you can see, for example, national income, right? These are locked. Once you subscribe the course, it will be unlocked for you, right? And then growth and development, you can see these around 7-8 lectures. Money laundering. So this is how your syllabus is, and based on the syllabus only this chapters are prepared. Social sector, if you see inequality, poverty, unemployment, and all these topics are there. So this is how we have covered, economy. Exactly like that, you can see this curriculum here in detail as well. You can see the course curriculum, what are the different modules. In case if you need to watch the preview, you can do that. You can see the timing of each lectures. This lectures you can watch n number of times. There is no restriction, but this will be valid for 2 years. Any number of times you can watch, right? So that is how all the courses. I've just taken economy because that's my favorite. And even if you go for modern India, guys, all these courses are 499, right? You'll be getting in economy itself, I think 130 lectures are there. So per lecture it will cost around 3 rupees for you. And you can see the whatever you are preparing, at least you can see the syllabus, and that's how you need to prepare, right? So this is how you will be getting test series for each of the module. One test will be provided for each of these, and then these are done in different phases. Like initially this decline of Mughal, battle of Plassey, Carnatic wars, Maratha wars, etc. Then from 1773 to 1857, then we have divided into socio-religious reform movement. Then 1885 to 1920, 20 to 47. That's how we have covered this part. All these lectures are taken by me. You can watch the preview either in YouTube or here, and then you can see the course. Similarly, you have ethics, integrity, aptitude. Again, full lectures are done by me only. Now, guys, rather than opting for different modules, in case if you need all the course, this will be a better option for you, because if you take this course, this IAS course, what you get here, you'll get complete prelims mains. There's a prelims come mains course where if you join any other coaching centers where you need to pay 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, right? So here, polity, economy, geography, history, environment, ethics, integrity, aptitude, everything will be covered, and this is a price that you need to pay for it, right? And if you are only looking for prelims crash course rather than taking, individual modules, you can go with this one where you will get all the prelim subjects. Okay, so at this cost, so it will be like you can see again history, geography, polity, economy, but these ethics and all will not be there. So that is the only difference. Like in mains and prelims, what is the difference? We will not be covering international relation in this. Ethics will not be there, and then disaster management will not be there. Like that, maybe governance anyway, it is covered along with polity. So some exception. That's the reason why that 1,000 rupee difference. Otherwise, even that ethics course separately you can take for otherwise 1,000 rupees, right? So this is how we have defined and designed the course. Everything is designed and prepared keeping in mind the exam perspective. These are some webinars that we have done. In fact, if you see Modern India webinar, even if you get this for 199, you will get all important topics. 10 lectures are there. One test is there. You will get all important topics. Similarly, polity webinar. slightly, I think this is also 199 only, although this is mentioned 399. You will get almost all the important topics in polity. This is a mentorship program. Right now, the mentorship program is almost about to complete. So at this juncture, you will not be getting access to that. You can subscribe it for the next year. So after the prelims only, I'll be announcing the next mentorship program. So guys, almost all these except geography and this environment and ecology, I have done everything. So sociology students already know. That's the reason why I'm not talking about sociology. That is our premium course, and that's the reason why the fees is slightly higher for sociology. Okay, so now you can see the preparation is going to be very easy. Even polity, if you see here, how you're going to read Lakshmikant, it will be made very simple if you see these lectures. There is one preview which is available to you. You can watch that preview and then decide, or guys, n number of demo sessions you can watch in the YouTube channel itself, right? It is completely open. You can see all my classes. You might have seen it in Study IQ, where my economy and history sessions, and that's the reason why you're coming here, right? So you already know me, and most of the students already know me and my background and everything. So if you are interested, go with the course, and it will be really helpful for you, because my entire experience I've used to prepare this course, and this is going to be really beneficial to you. And in case, guys, if you're going for this two course, this IAS full course or this crash course, you will be getting a prelims test series completely, where you will get around 22 tests and 22 solutions in detail, and the discussions as well. So what more you can get, and why you are waiting for? In case if you are starting your preparation, and if you're watching this video, you can think of at least watching some videos, or if you have already attended some sessions somewhere, watch some history and economy videos. You will come to know the difference, the way we are explaining the concepts and everything. At least the demand supply video itself, or national income video itself, will tell you how different we are, and how differently we have done, and how is it going to helpful to you, right? So maybe economics, some data you need to update, otherwise the concepts and everything, the 20 modules you can see, that itself, do you think that you will get it for 499 anywhere, right? So that's it, guys. This is what I can do for you. This is what I wanted to tell you. So that's how you can use the application for your complete preparation. Any doubts you have, you can anytime get in touch with me through WhatsApp or mail, or through the application also. Okay, so see you guys. That's what I wanted to tell you. See you.